Guys, we're racing 1/5 scale electric and gas at the Callahan Speedway. This is the big truck race put on by Sean Lorman and JaxRC Recycle and Repair. Let's go.
Check it out. I'm being followed.
X-Max, if you're getting your trucks ready. X-Max, if you're getting your trucks ready. I'm an X-Max. Alright, Tommy comes around to the right side. It's time to run the center.
Busted pinion gear. He's out. Yeah, buddy, I'm bringing it to you.
Oh, man.
All right, you ready for this?
I'm ready. What you got?
There's your truck. There's your pinion gear.
Oh! It was trying to come off the whole time.
Yes,
all
it
day I was
was.
struggling.
There you go, buddy.
I appreciate everybody's cooperation and help during this, because I'm glad I got an extra thermal. So big hit in turn 1, turn 2, and it looks like we're clear. Okay. Big hit on the front circuit. That's going to be it for weigh-in. Alright, 1 minute remaining. We got Eric still in the top spot, Flipper in the 2, Jill in the 3, Steve in the 4, Christina in the 5, ending his race early. Big hit in turn 4 there. Spin out on the front stretch there, and it looks like we should be good.
Honestly, the most exciting parts of that are the crashes. But it's fun to see them come around, just kind of power slide through that. Big trucks, big races. Hopefully we can get a better turnout. I would love to see this grow into something really spectacular. I really think it'll be awesome. Guys, check that description. Use those links. Hit that subscribe, ring that bell, and you guys have a great day. If you're still watching, you are top shelf. You are the cream of the crop, the pick of the litter. You are phenomenal. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. It means a lot to me. Now, down below, there are links for the products you see. Also for channel memberships, if you guys want to be a part. Channel members get early viewing on pretty much everything that I can. So, guys, check that description. There's a lot of info down there. Thank you all for watching.